What's up mga kabatak? Welcome back to my channel. Mga kabatak, ito yung family camping namin ngayong 2025. Pupunta sana kami sa... Saan punta natin? Kelowna, pero nag-change yung mind kasi uulan daw all day doon. So magko-Coltos Lake na lang kami ulit kasi ako kami ng spot doon. Dalawang sakyan ang dala namin, yung Mazda tsaka tong Nissan. Mahal ang gas ngayon, kaya ito lang ang dalawang sakyan ang dinala namin. Mas matipid sa gas ng dalawang SUV. Kaya ito si Prodo, nandito sa harapan ko. Yan. Shoutout pala sa asawa ko, nakasama ko. Shoutout sa baby ko, nakasama ko. Love you eh. Tsaka shoutout sa mga silence viewer ko. Shoutout sa mga subscriber ko. At shoutout din sa lahat ng mga tao sa buong mundo, mapaaraw, mapagabi, patanghali sa inyong lahat. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Kaya ito ngayon, samahan nyo kami sa aming pagkakamping. Ay, nangulang ko
First day
ng camping site namin sa Coltos Lake. Let's go! Ay, ay. Ayaw ni...
Update na lang mamaya.
Ayaw ni Cameron na sakay si Prudo dito sa sasakyan niya eh.
Update pagdating doon.
Ayaw niya.
Mga kabatak. Ayan mga kabatak.
We're eating.
Eating.
He's working.
Dito na kami mga kabatak.
Maulan na
Update
camping.
lang. Maulan na camping. Ayan yung tent namin.
Where are you?
We're still working on it mga kabatak. Busy eating. Where's Frodo? Where is baby Frodo? Walang masyadong tao dito mga kabatak kasi umuulan. Meron kaming kapitbahay. Ayun.
Mga kabatak,
We have neighbor but
we might
there's
be
only
leaving
one.
soon.
Mga kabatak. We'll be leaving soon if the rain's heavy.
Yay. Okay.
Cooking time, kabatak.
Pork belly.
Pork belly, yummy.
For pulutan.
Luluto si
Pork belly
kabatak.
for pulutan. It's only twice a year happen for our family going camping. Because I don't have kids anymore.
No baby.
I don't have
They're all
baby.
grown up.
I have baby Britney Damulag and I have baby Cameron Damulag too.
Ayun.
Both
Ayun si
Damulag.
Britney Damulag. Ayun si Cameron Damulag.
Baby Damulag both.
Asan si baby Bunso?
Florida, where are you?
Bunso. We turn on the fire pit now because
Very
it's
cold.
quite cold now.
It's a raging fire. Look at that. It's controlled.
Papainit si kabatak.
Pop ka muna.
Ano yung pinap mo?
Matatakot.
Ano yung pinap-pap mo, be?
Matatakot.
Yo.
Pop yung pet muna.
Pap ka muna.
Ito ay magluto ng steak. Yan nagpapabaga tayo.
Mm-mm.
Ito ng steak.
Sana yung steak mo?
Nandun pa. Ayun pa.
Mm.
Walang ginawa sa camping kundi kain ng kain.
Kaya nga.
Kain.
Mag ano na naman ng weight ito. Anong ginagawa ni Cameron?
Gumagawa siya ng sauce Mario.
Making steak sauce.
Sauce for steak.
Yan naman si Britney at saka ni Frodo. Keeping up Frodo behave on the corner. Over there, relaxing.
Ano yung ano? Shout out pala sa baby ko. Kasama ko siya ngayon mag-camping. Lagi lang pag-bike, di ko siya kasama. Biniginaw ka na. Ganyan talaga pag tumatanda na ginawin. Grabe.
Nagsayaw ako ng ganun-ganun kanina eh. Naghinto yung ulan, no?
Oh, ginaya mo si Sarah Heronima. Sarah Heronima?
Ganun-ganun.
Sitsiwit.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na walang ulan. Lord. Lakas ng ulan kanina.
Oh, wala kang siya shout out.
Shout out sa lahat ng mga family ko sa Portugal, si Ate Jen at saka sa family niya at sa Pilipinas. Ganun na rin sa ating mga kamag-anak. Shout out sa inyong lahat.
I mean, I guess Mom was kind of right. It stopped raining. It worked.
Yeah. It's work, right? Mami dancing?
Yep, it worked.
Told you.
Somehow it worked.
No, it only works because she's from a village. That's why.
Good morning mga kabatak. Second day morning namin dito sa camping site. My daughter's cooking shrimp. Yun, sayaw-sayaw doon. Maulan. Yan yung asawa ko. Ngiti-ngiti. Luto-luto ng hotdog. Pata mo yung hotdog? Ipiti mo isa. Pata mo yung hotdog. Yan, hotdog.
Filipino hotdog daw.
Filipino hotdog yan. Jumbo hotdog.
Kaya maliit.
Kaya malit. Dan marami kaming kapitbahay kahit maulan, pero nag-decide kami na uwi na kami kasi 95% yung ulan mamayang gabi. Pagkatapos ng lunch baka uwi na kami. Kasi madilim na naman yung kalangitan. Ayan si Cameron. Cameron, take off the air now Yeah, the other bed. Take off the air now, the other bed.
Hey, bro, I don't know how to do it.
You see the bulb in the end?
Yeah, I'm taking off the air right now.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Ay, si Butchoy, si Prudo. Tatagal na siya ng air. Yeah, put closer to the fire. Yung lagunisa din yung nalutuin.
Where's the towel that you're holding before, Brittany? You can use that one to sit down.
Mamaya ulit, pagkainan. Good morning, guys. And that's for our breakfast. Adobong sitaw, Filipino japdog, tsaka jitlog, tsaka shrimp. So, do you have some coffee, guys? Do you have coffee?
No, I'm good.
So,
Coffee.
coffee.
Coffee muna there.
Yeah, coffee muna dear. Ito, prepare for lunch. Yum, yum. Kainan na mga kabatak.
Yeah.
Go. Mga kabatak, time to going home. Because tomorrow night is worst rain. Supposed to be, I went back home tomorrow morning. But all my family decided to going back home because last night it's worst rain and no one gonna sleep. Only Cameron and Brittany sleep, and Cameron is snoring a lot. That's why I cannot sleep a lot. So, and it's very cold, right?
Yep.
It's very cold. So it's time to tidy and going home after lunch. I eat lunch first and then I bring a lot of food, so I bring back home. I continue eat sangkapsal in the house and show the watermelon. It's the same last year, bring the watermelon here and then return back home. So see you maybe on August again, right? It's depend to my wife. She said, I don't like going back to camping anymore.
All right, see ya.
Okay.
Leaving Abbotsford, there are crashes on British Columbia 1 West that are causing a 20-minute delay.
Tapos
You're
na si
on the
going
best
home
route.
too.
You should reach your destination by 3:21 p.m. In 200 meters, turn right to stay on Clear Creek Campground.
Eh mga kabatak, tapos na yung aming camping kasi malakas ang ulan. Yung weather very bad. So I decided to going back home. Supposed to be I went home tomorrow, but tonight is 100% rain. So, and tomorrow I don't like rush to do tidy the stuff, and then you wake up, it's still raining, it's hard to do tidy the stuff. So
Take the next right
my
to stay on
family
Clear
decide to
Creek
going
Campground.
home and sleep well tonight. It's good for me because I'm going biking tomorrow.
Yep.
I agree to went home because I'm going for bike tomorrow.
Yep.
So that's Ate's car, and Ron and I is my driver today.
Yep.
It's my pilot.
100 meters, turn right on
Yep.
So that's the way. Okay, see you and the highway 1. Yan mga kabatok, malapit na kami sa bahay. Masarap pag meron ka ng driver, nakaupo ka na lang. Dito na tayo sa, what's it called, this bridge? Portman Bridge?
Yeah, I think so.
That's a Portman Bridge. I don't think so.
No, I said I think so.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a Portman Bridge now. So it's like 15 minutes. I arrived in the house already. 15 minutes. It's nice bridge.
Yeah, it's cool.
Surrounding. See? Sky is still cloudy. I wish tomorrow is not raining. I'm going for biking. I like
Oh
that.
yeah.
I like to come back home today because I have just going for biking tomorrow. Monday back to work.
Yeah.
Right, it's Samgyeopsal tonight. And the shrimp. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hanggang dito na lang yung aming video kasi malapit na kami sa bahay. Thank you pala sa mga laging sumasubaybay sa aming video at sa aking video. So ito na yung last day ng family camping namin. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Paalam! Shoutout, bebe! Nakati na tayo dito sa bahay. Mga kabatak, nandito na kami ulit sa bahay kasi lakas ng ulan doon sa camping site. Kaya maraming salamat pala sa laging sumusuporta sa aking video at sa family camping namin ngayong taon. At shoutout pala kay Sir Ronnie Dizon. At shoutout din sa mga silent viewers ko. At shoutout din sa mga subscriber ko. Tsaka mga kapatak, tapos na yung aking video. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like at mag-share at pindutin ang notification bell para laging updated sa aking video. Paalam!